My second question is, God is all-knowing and aware of all the choices and actions we do. So why is it that we get rewarded and punished for our actions if Allah already knows the choices we will make in our lives?
Allah Ta'ala has also given you free will. He knows that what you are going to do, but He does not compel to do what you are doing. He has given you the free hand. Right? And Allah says these are the bad things and these are the wrong things. If you do good deeds, you will be rewarded. If you do bad things, you will be punished. Allah never asked you or forced you to do bad things so that He punishes you. Allah says He is all merciful. His mercy encompasses everything. Right? So, you cannot say Allah knows of the choices we make, but at the same time, you don't know what is going to be your ultimate destiny. Right? Allah knows it. Sometimes it so happens that a person does the bad things in whole of his life, but at the end he does something good and Allah Ta'ala forgives him. Right? Allah knows that ultimately a person will do something good and I will forgive him. So Allah Ta'ala tries to find the ways where He can use His mercy to forgive the human being or his creation, or at least not the whole of the creation, the human beings or the man or woman. Right? So, do you know that what are you going to do when your time comes? You are going to leave this world. Do you know?
No.
No. So that it means Allah says that you keep on doing good things. And if you do good things, and your rate of doing good things is more than the bad things, then Allah Ta'ala will forgive you. And when you are doing good things, people will like you. Allah Ta'ala says, you discharge your duties towards your Creator, towards Allah Ta'ala. And you discharge your duties you owe to your fellow being. Right? If you are doing something good for your fellow beings, will they not praise you? Will they appreciate it or not?
They will.
Huh? No? Yes?
They will.
Yes?
Yes.
Then you should do good things. So what else did Allah Ta'ala say? Allah Ta'ala says that these are your two duties. If you do these things, you will be forgiven and rewarded. And no sane person can say that, no, I am not going to do this thing. Or any sane person can say this.
No.
No? Okay. Now you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jazakallah.
Okay, sit down.